Today I'm going to teach you present continuous tense in passive voice. Present continuous tense in passive voice. We have learned present continuous tense in active voice in our previous lessons. Today we are going to talk about present continuous tense in passive voice. අපි කලින් කතා කරලා තියෙනවා present continuous tense එක active voice වලදී. කලින් පාඩමේදී අපි අද කතා කරන්නේ present continuous tense එක passive voice වලින්. Okay, look at the screen. Active voice. The active voice sentence. In active voice, simple present continuous tense. What is the active voice form? Subject plus be verb, am, or is, or are. Next, verb in ing form. Next, object.
Passive voice වල
What did you say, Malki? Malki?
passive voice වල simple future tense එක එච්චර අවශ්‍ය නැද්ද?
ටිකක් තියෙනවා එච්චරම ලොකුවටම එනවා අඩුයි. හරි නැත්te නැහැ එන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට ඒක කරන්න තියෙන්නේ will be use කරලා තමයි ගන්න තියෙන්නේ. හරි will be ඊට පස්සේ verb එක past participle form එකේ. Okay. Future simple future tense. Okay, now we are talking about future continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, now we are talking about future continuous tense in active voice. This is active voice. In active voice, what is the structure? This is the structure. The structure is subject plus be verb, am, is, or are. Next, verb in ing form. Next, object. Next, rest. This is the structure. This is the active voice. This is the positive structure of present continuous tense. This is the positive structure of present continuous tense. Then Malki, give me the negative structure of present perfect, present continuous tense in active voice. Give me the negative structure of present continuous tense of in active voice.
get it. Plus am is are, not plus verb ing plus object plus rest.
Yes, very good. Subject plus am, is, are plus not plus verb in ing plus object plus rest. That is the negative structure of present continuous tense in active voice. Okay, now we have come to the present positive structure of present continuous tense in passive voice. දැන් අපි බැලුවා active voice වලදී present continuous tense එකේ structure එක මොකක්ද කියලා. දැන් අපි බලන්නේ passive voice වලදී present continuous එකේ structure එක මොකක්ද කියලා. Okay. When we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the sentence. අපි passive voice වලට එද්දී මේ active voice වල මෙතන තියෙන object එක passive voice sentence එකේ beginning එකට අරගෙන එන්න ඕනේ. We should take the object at the beginning of the passive voice sentence. අපි අරගෙන එන්න ඕනේ. Then I have taken the object at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, now we can see the positive structure of present continuous tense in passive voice. This is the structure. Object. Next, be verb. Be verbs are am, or is, or are. Object, am, is, are. Next, being. This is the specific word in present continuous tense in passive voice. This is the specific word, being. Next, verb in past participle form. Next, we can mention the doer Okay, this is the positive structure. This is the positive structure of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, object, next be verb. Be verbs are am, is, are. Next, we should put been. This is the specific word in present continuous tense. Next, verb in past participle form. Next, we can mention the doer if we want. අපිට ඕන නම් doer කරන කෙනාව. කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙතන තිබෙන subject එක by කියන එක use කරලා අපිට මෙතන mention කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then this is the positive structure of future present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, been තිබුණ නැත්නම්. Tell me Sashikala, what is this tense? Been නැත්නම්. If there is this word, if there isn't this word, what is that tense? Sashikala. Been එක නැතුව අනිත් ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. එහෙමනම් ඒ structure එක මොන tense එකේ structure එකද? Sashikala, what is that structure?
සිග්නල් නැතුව මං දැන් ජොයින් උනේ ආපහු.
Okay. Then Malki, tell me, what is that structure?
Simple present passive voice.
Yes, simple present passive voice. Yasiru is late every day. Okay, we are talking about present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, Yasiru? In previous lessons, we have talked about present continuous tense in active voice. Today, we are going to talk about present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay. Then active voice positive structure. What is this tense? Present continuous tense. Subject, verb, be verbs, am, or is, or are. Next, verb in ing form. Next, object plus rest. This is the positive structure of present continuous tense in active voice. This is the positive structure of present continuous tense in active voice. Okay, now we can go to positive structure of future present continuous tense in passive voice. අපිට දැන් යන්න පුළුවන් future continuous tense එකේ passive voice වල positive structure එක මොකක්ද කියලා බලන්න. This is the positive structure. Object, be verb, be verbs are am, or is, or are. Next, we should put been. This is the specific word in this tense. මේක තමයි විශේෂම වචනය මේ tense එකේ. Been. Next, verb in past participle form. Next, we can mention the doer if we want. Okay, this is the positive structure of present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, being. Okay, now look at the screen. Active voice sentence. Active voice, present continuous tense. Then the sentence is, they are painting the wall. They are painting the wall. They are painting what? The wall. Then the wall is the object of this sentence. එයාලා paint කරනවා මොකක්ද? wall එක, බිත්තිය. එහෙනම් wall එක තමයි මේ sentence එකේ object එක වෙන්නේ. Then when we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the passive voice sentence. අපි passive voice වලට එද්දී මෙතන තියෙන object එක passive voice sentence එකේ මුලට අරගෙන එන්න ඕනේ. Then the sentence is, then the passive voice sentence is, the wall is next being painted by them. Because the wall, this is a singular noun, singular object. Then we should put the be verb, we should put is as the be verb. Because this is a singular noun, we should use is. We should use is. The wall is being painted by them. And also we can make the sentence like this without mentioning the tour. Then the sentence is, the wall is being painted. The wall is being painted. Okay. එතකොට මේ being තියෙන එක තමයි present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Continuous tenses වලදී විශේෂත්වය been තියෙන එක. Been නැතුව is painted, was painted. ඒ මොනවද? Simple present tense passive. Simple past tense passive, the wall was painted na. Simple past tense passive. The wall is painted. Been නැතුව the wall is painted. ඒක මොකක්ද? Simple present tense. Simple present passive. The wall was painted. Been නැතුව simple past passive. වගේම අපි future tense එක කරේ නැහැ simple future එකේ. මතක තියාගන්න future tense නම් වෙන්න ඕනේ මොකක්ද? The wall will be painted. Will be painted. Okay? Will be painted. Been නැහැ. Simple future tense. The wall will be painted by them. That is simple future tense. අපි ඒ tense එක කරේ නැහැ මේකෙදි. එකත් මතක තියාගන්න. එහෙම තියෙනවා නම් will be දාලා past participle point මේ verb එක තියෙනවා නම් ඒ තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? Simple future tense. The wall is being painted. Okay, now we can go to the next example. This is active voice. This is an active voice sentence. The active voice sentence is, she is doing her homework. She is doing her homework. She is doing what? Her homework. Then this is the object of this sentence. When we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the sentence. When we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the passive voice sentence. Then we can make the sentence like this. Then the passive voice sentence is, her homework is being done by her. Her homework. This is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Then we can consider that word as a singular noun. මේක uncountable noun එකක්. ඒ නිසා අපිට ඒක consider කරන්න පුළුවන් singular එකක් විදිහට. එතකොට අපි ගන්න be verb එක තමයි is. එතකොට passive voice sentence එක, her homework is being done by her. And also we can say the sentence like this. Her homework is being done without mentioning the doer. Doer කවුද කියන්න නැතුව අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් her homework is being done. Okay, this is present continuous tense. I think you can understand present continuous tense and also you can make the sentences. Now we have an exercise. These are the active voice sentences. Present, a positive structure of present continuous tense in active voice sentences. These are the active voice sentences. Then you should make the passive voice positive sentences in present continuous tense. First one. I am making some food at this moment. I am making what? Some food. Then some food. This is the object of this sentence. When we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the sentence. Then the passive voice sentence is, some food is being made at this moment by me. That is the passive voice positive sentence. What is the sentence? Some food. Some food is the object of this sentence. Then when we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the sentence. Then the sentence is, some food. Some food is an uncountable noun. Then we can consider that as a singular noun. then we can use the is. We can use is as the be verb. Some food is made. Make is an irregular verb. Then the past participle verb form is made. Some food is made at this moment by me. That is the positive sentence of present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, the next one is for you. Yasiru, give me the passive voice sentence of second active voice sentence.
Trees are being cut down people these days.
Yeah.
Cut down by people these days.
These days by people. Yes. Then the sentence is, trees are being cut down these days by people. Okay. Normally
By these days, okay.
Normally we mention the doer at the end of the sentence. අපි doer mention කරන්නේ අන්තිමටම. මොකද doer ඕන නැති නිසානේ අපි passive voice use කරන්නේ. එතකොට sentence එකේ මැදට දාන්න එපා doer අන්තිමට දාන්න. එතකොට sentence එක trees are being cut down these days by people. subject එක දන්නේ නැත්තම් subject එක එච්චර important නැත්තම් තමයි අපි මේක use කරන්නේ. එයා ඕනනම් අපිට active voice use කරන්න පුළුවන්. අමාරුයි මේක use කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා අපි දානවා නම් දාන්නේ object එක අවසානෙට. Then the sentence is, trees are being cut down these days by people. Okay, next sentence. Give me the passive voice sentence. Malki.
Time is being wasted always by him.
Yes, very good. Time is being wasted always by him. That is the passive voice sentence. Next sentence. Next sentence. My sister is painting the drawing. What is the positive sentence? What is the passive voice sentence? Sashikala? Sashikala, what is the passive voice sentence?
Miss මට ඇහෙන්නේ නෑනේ.
This is the active voice sentence. Then you can make the passive voice sentence of this active voice sentence. What is the answer, Sashikala?
The drawing is being painted by my sister.
Yes, very good. The drawing is being painted by my sister. That is the passive voice sentence. Okay, next one. My neighbor is blaming us regarding putting garbage. What is the passive voice sentence of this sentence? Yasiru.
Regarding putting garbage, is being them. by our neighbor.
Yasiru, how to find the object? I have taught you 2 questions. What are the questions? How to find the object?
Putting garbage.
No. කොහොමද අපි object එක හොයන්නේ වාක්‍යයක? මම මේක කියලා තියෙනවා.
What මොකක් සඳහාද මොකටද? what ඒක
What,
කියන විදිහට එන්න කොහොමද බලන්න දන්නා මිස්.
what or whom? එක්කොත් අහන්න ඕනි මොකක්ද?
yeah.
නැත්තම් whom කාටද? Then you have an answer. My neighbor is blaming. Whom? කාටද? Us. Then this is the object. මේ object එක නෙවෙයි. This is the object. Then give me the correct answer.
Regarding putting garbage is blamed by our neighbors.
No මේක තමයි object එක. ඒතර අපි object එක ගේනවා මුලට. අපි මේ වගේ එකක් මුලට ගේද්දී us නෙමෙයි ගේන්නේ B. ඇයි our neighbor is blaming. What? කාටද කිව්වට මේ මොකක්ද කිව්වට අපිට answer එකක් එන්නේ නැහැ. Our neighbor is blaming. Whom? කාටද? අපිට එතකොට answer එකක් තියෙනවා. අපිට බනින්නේ. එහෙනම් මේ වාක්‍ය object එක මොකද්ද? us. අපේ neighbor අපිට බනිනවා කුණු දැමීම සම්බන්ධයෙන්. හරි. එතකොට කාටද බනින්නේ අපිට? Then we are being blamed regarding putting garbage by our neighbor. That is the answer. Okay, Asiru?
Okay, miss.
Okay, Malki, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
අර questions දෙක තමයි තියෙන්නේ object එක හොයන්න. What? ඒකට answer එකක් එනවා නම් ඒක ගන්න. නැත්නම් whom. සමහර වෙලාවට දෙකටම answers තියෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට passive voice sentence එක දෙවිදියකට හදන්න පුළුවන්. What කිව්වත් answer එකක් එනවා නම් whom කියලා answer එකක් එනවා නම් ඒ දෙකෙන් කැමති එකක් අරගෙන අපිට passive voice sentence එක හදන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. මෙතන දෙන්නේ whom කියන එකට තමයි answer එක තියෙන්නේ. whom. us. එතකොට us කියන එක මෙහෙට අරගෙන එනකොට මොකක් වෙනවද? we වෙනවා. Then the sentence is we are being blamed regarding putting garbage by our neighbor. We. Then we passive voice මේ active voice වල we තිබුණා නම් අපි passive voice වලට doer විදිහට ගේන්නේ කොහොමද? by us කියලා. by we කියන්නේ නැහැ passive voice වලට එද්දි. by us. ඒතර මේ වගේ එකක් මෙතන object එක ආයපු මෙතන subject එක use subject එක විදිහට නෙගේන්නේ. object එක අපි මේකේ object එක මේකේ subject එක වගේ කියනවා. එතකොට අපි we use කරන්න ඕන. We are being blamed regarding putting garbage by our neighbor. Next sentence. I am sweeping the floor. What is the passive voice sentence, Malki?
The floor is being swept by me.
Yes, the floor is being swept by me. That is the answer. Next one. I am doing some exercises to control my weight. What is the passive voice sentence, Sashikala?
My weight is being done some exercise to
No,
control my
you don't understand the theory. I am doing what? Mama කරමින් ඉන්නවා. මොනවද? My weight object එක. I am doing මම කිව්වා subject එකට ගිහිල්ලා verb එකට ගිහිල්ලා question එකක් අහන්න කියලා what හරි whom හරි කියලා. I am doing මම කරමින් ඉන්නවා. What? Some exercises. Then this is the object of this sentence. මේක තමයි object එක. I am doing what? Some exercises. Okay. My weight නෙමෙයි මේක rest එක මේ. To control my weight. That is the rest of the sentence. This is the object. I am doing what? Some exercises. Then that is the object of this active voice sentence. When we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the passive voice sentence. අපි object අපි passive voice වලට එද්දී මේ තියෙන object එක passive voice sentence එකේ මුලට ගේන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට sentence එක මොකක්ද? Some exercises are being done to control my weight by me. Okay, that is the passive voice sentence. Some exercises. This is a plural noun. Then we should use are as the be verb. Some exercises are. Next, we should put the verb in past participle form. Some exercises are being done to control my weight by me. That is the passive voice sentence. Did you understand, Sashikala?
Yes, yes.
Okay, අර questions අහන්න. ඒ දෙක විතරක් අහන්න. වෙන ඒවා ගන්න එපා. මේක හිතනවා my weight එක තමයි object එක. හිතලා ගන්න එපා. අපි අරකින් තමයි decide කරන්නේ මොකක්ද object එක කියලා. Okay, now we have learned positive structure of present continuous tense in passive voice. Okay, now we are going to negative structure of present continuous tense in passive voice. අපි දැන් යන්නේ present continuous tense එකේ negative structure එකට. What is the positive structure? Object. Next, be verb. Be verbs are am or is or are. Next, being. Next, verb in past participle form. Next, by doer. We can mention the doer if we want. That is the positive structure. Next we are going to a negative structure. When we come to negative structure, we should put not after the be verb. Okay. අපි negative structure එකට එද්දී not දාන්න ඕනේ be verb එකට පස්සේ. Then the negative structure is object. Next, be verb. Be verbs are am or is or are. Next, not, isn't, aren't, isn't or aren't. Next, being. Next, verb in past participle form. Next, we can mention the doer if we want. This is the negative structure. Okay. Now we have an exercise. First active voice sentence. I am making some food at this moment. What is the passive voice negative sentence of this sentence? Malki.
Some food isn't being
Malki, give me the full answer.
some food isn't being made at this moment by
Some food isn't being made at this moment by me. That is the answer. Some food. This is the object of this sentence. Then the passive voice sentence is some food isn't being made at this moment by me. Next sentence. People are cutting down trees these days. Give me the passive voice sentence of this sentence. Sashikala. Passive voice negative sentence. Sashikala, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, give me the answer.
Down trees aren't being cut these days by people.
Okay, Sashikala. Cut down. Cut down කියන එක verb එක. Okay, එක words දෙකකින් හැදෙන verb එක.